Hey boys, we're going to do a little bit of maintenance to this motor. I got some oil. I am so sick and tired of people saying use non-detergent. Non-detergent is an old wise myth. It's like women call it screaming for wolf all the time. I just got some of this oil, 30 weight. It's got zinc in it, that's why I picked it up. Got me an air pre-cleaner and main air filter. And another spark plug too for this motor. Hey, got a spark plug. $35. Just do a small tune-up on it. Yeah. As far as I didn't do nothing to this last year. I checked, made sure it had oil, and I ran it. I don't know when the last time this thing ever had an oil change. So if I blow it up this year, because I changed the oil, well, I guess that's what's going to be. And if anybody was wondering, this is an 88. And that's what your air cleaner looks like. Yeah, I never did anything to this thing. Yeah, and what I was meaning by everybody needs to quit talking about non-detergent. It says, okay, change oil, summer, use 30 weight, 10W30 or 10W40. Winter, use 5W30 or 10W30. It does not say anything about non-detergent. I don't know where that freaking mess ever came from, and I wish people would quit telling everybody to use non-detergent oil. You cannot buy non-detergent oil nowadays. It don't exist on the open market unless you want to order the garbage in. It's some wise tale somebody came up with. Maybe dinosaur age is something you guys want to deal with, but this ain't dinosaur age anymore. Dinosaur age oils don't exist no more. No clue where non-detergent ever came from. Don't bother you, does it, Mama? Ran that air tool, and there she is. She's still sitting there. Alright, boys. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on that metal. Looks like it got rain down on it somehow. Yeah, I don't care. A little 5-horse Briggs, I believe. I'd pick up another 5-horse Briggs, dime a dozen. That's just to slow down the rusting. Yeah. Let's see. And when you're putting these up, it says up on it. And I guess that's where I got confused at. So I used to see small engines. The only thing I ever grew up with was push motors. These does not get any oil put in them. Do not oil place foam side against free elements. Stuff like that. Yes, if anybody has a 5-horse Briggs that uses that style of oil filter, air filter, local Menards carries them. A lot cheaper than my farm store did. $11 for both, compared to paying over 20. Okay, that's in, that's the wrong way. That wasn't even tight. Burning okay. That's not even the right plug. That's a J19LM. Should have been the heck was it? Supposed to be an RJ19LM. But I got a Briggs OEM plug, which it burned hotter. We're gonna have to check the gap. Come with me. Hang on to that plug just in case I need it. Yes, there is a difference between an RJ and a J plug. Don't argue with me on that one. But there is a difference. The heck? There it is. Not even rustering. Should be 25, I believe. But I've always ran Briggs plugs a little hotter than that. Running right about 30. And that's sitting right at 30. So, Yes, I could have went and grabbed the proper spark plug wrench while I was in the tour room. But where's the fun at on that one? Guess this thing's done draining. Hey, old farmers always say, press wrench can do a lot of amazing things. Why do you think there's always a crest wrench on a tractor seat? Oh, that's right. That's why every bolt on a farm equipment is all around it for. Okay. Should have or had an oil bolt wrench. Here. Funnel for this. Alright, boys. Got a funnel. Now, don't ask me how much oil to put in it, because I don't know. How to check how full it is, I don't know either. Because, yeah, well, that's all I'm going to say about it. You're lucky. I'm assuming about a quart. That seems about right. About a quart of oil. Let's check it now. Yeah, I think about a half a quart to almost a full quart. You also got to keep in mind this says it's going to be jarring. Well, we got it. Yeah, about a half a quart. That looks good. I don't know if I can access that dipstick over there or not. Oh, let's try it. I know there's one over here. It's underneath the carburetor. Did you guys know there is a tool to open these caps? Yeah, I'd say she's full. She started leaking out of the hole. How much oil is that still on it? Not much. There's barely any oil on this thing. Wow, guys. Oh, we forgot more for later. Well, for another oil change. Just probably wanted me here. What, Mama? You're hot, aren't you?